Lesson 3, Breakfast Blast. Upon completion of this lesson, you will be able to explain the importance of eating a balanced breakfast every day. Describe a balanced breakfast using the 3 out of 5 model, and describe a mixed breakfast food. Foods from at least 3 of the 5 food groups build a healthy breakfast pattern, and breakfast is most important because it provides the first fuel of the day. It gives you the energy to learn and play.
Why 3 out of 5 for breakfast? Breakfast sets you up to learn and play each day. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. A healthy breakfast and a good night's sleep are a winning combination. It is important to eat breakfast every day so that you can get all of the nutrients you need to keep your body healthy and to grow strong. What kinds of foods make a healthy breakfast? Want energy and nutrients at the start of your day? Eat foods from the food groups. You can choose foods to build a healthy breakfast at home or at schools that offer a breakfast program. To eat a balanced breakfast, choose a breakfast with 3 or more food groups. Here is an easy way to build a balanced breakfast. Eat foods from 3 or more different food groups: dairy, vegetables, fruits, grains, or protein group. Eating 3 or more food groups for breakfast gives you a mix of protein, fiber, and fat that fuels your body. There are many ways to make a 3 out of 5 breakfast pattern, and it doesn't have to take a lot of time or be complicated. You can make a smoothie with strawberries, yogurt, and milk, and a piece of toast. Another 3 out of 5 breakfast pattern could be cereal with milk with bananas on top. Another option would be a bagel with peanut butter, a glass of milk, and carrot sticks. When you eat a sugary breakfast like donuts, or you don't follow a balanced 3 out of 5 breakfast pattern, you may feel tired, grouchy, get a stomachache, and feel hungry. But if you eat a healthy breakfast, for example, a 3 out of 5 breakfast pattern, you'll have energy and nutrients to keep you feeling full until lunch. Yay! Starting the day with breakfast is a healthy habit that helps you concentrate better in class and have energy to play with friends. What will you eat for breakfast tomorrow to make sure that you are ready to learn and play? Do you understand why eating breakfast is important? Do you think you can choose foods to build a 3 out of 5 breakfast? To practice and for more resources, visit healthyeating.org.
A quick review of the video. To build a healthy breakfast, you need to choose a 3 out of 5 model. So you must have something from the grain group, and then you can choose something from the vegetable group or the food group, and then you need to choose something from the dairy group or the protein group. So if you have 3 out of the 5 with grains, fruits or vegetables, dairy or protein, then it is a 3 out of 5 breakfast. Let's fill in the blanks in the paragraph below. Choose words from the list in the box to the right. There will be some words that are not used. It is important for me to have a healthy breakfast every morning so that I get the blank I need for my body to grow strong. So I get the 4 excited vegetables, mixed foods, tired, think, 3 food group, nutrients, dairy, grains. I'm going to say nutrients. It is important for me to have a healthy breakfast every morning so that I get the nutrients I need for my body to grow strong. If I skip breakfast, sometimes I feel blank and find it hard to blank. If I skip breakfast, sometimes I feel not excited. I feel tired, and I find it hard to what? Think. That's the only logical choice, right? All right. A balanced breakfast is the one that contains blank out of the 5 food groups. I think you know this answer. It is 3 out of the 5 food groups. The groupings are fruits or, it's the opposite of fruit, vegetables, and blank or protein. So dairy or protein. While I was making the recording, I couldn't figure out how they left the 3rd food group out, the one that you absolutely have to have. And so it's fruits or vegetables, dairy or protein, and the one you must have is grains because it's the one that gives you energy. Sometimes breakfast foods are called blank when they contain food from more than one blank. And we haven't really talked about this a lot yet, but sometimes breakfast foods are called mixed foods when they contain food from more than one food group. So for example, if you had an omelet and it had vegetables and bacon, then it would have protein and vegetables in it. So that's a mixed food. All right, and let's play a Kahoot. How does breakfast give you energy? It breaks the fast after a night of sleeping, or chewing food helps you wake up. And we said it breaks the fast after a night of sleeping. Why does breakfast help you think better? It gives you time to wake up before school. It gives you energy to listen and learn because your stomach isn't hungry. Let's go with the blue. It gives you energy to listen and learn. What is true about a balanced breakfast? It gives you nutrients for good health. It helps you focus in class. It gives you energy to play. All are true. I think all of those are true. And we're correct. What balances a breakfast of cereal and milk? So cereal is a grain, milk is dairy, so we need some strawberries. And that is correct. It's from the fruit group. What balances a breakfast of quesadilla with tortilla, cheese, and salsa? Guess what? It's already balanced. The tortilla is the grain, cheese is dairy, and salsa is a vegetable. What balances a breakfast smoothie with yogurt, milk, and berries? So it has dairy and fruit. We have to have a grain. Every single breakfast must have a grain, so it's a granola bar. And our last question, what balances a breakfast of pancakes and oranges? So we have a grain and we have fruit. We need some dairy, so let's have a glass of milk with our breakfast. Here we go, power up my breakfast podium. 3, 2, 1. We are first place. 7 out of 7. Power up my breakfast. Way to go. Breakfast blast. Why you should make breakfast the most important meal of your day. How might you feel if you skip breakfast? So you have no breakfast at all. Do you feel full, not hungry, achy stomach or head, full of energy, able to concentrate in school? So you're probably going to have an achy stomach or head. The 3 out of 5 model is when you eat 3 fruits for breakfast, you eat 3 meals a day, you eat at least 1 food from 3 out of the 5 food groups, or you eat 3 foods in 5 minutes. I think you know the answer is eating 3 out of the 5 food groups. Use this photo of a breakfast. Meet the 3 out of 5. Oh, does this photo of a breakfast meet the 3 out of 5 model? Oatmeal, chopped nuts, and yogurt. So oatmeal is a grain. Chopped walnuts is a protein, and yogurt is dairy. So our choices are we have to have a grain, it's there. Then we can have protein or dairy, and then we need a fruit or vegetable. I don't see any fruits or vegetables in there, so the answer is no. Select a choice that would provide a more balanced breakfast than a donut and orange juice. Yogurt and a fruit smoothie and a piece of toast. A bagel with egg and avocado. A granola bar, a banana, and bottled water. So yogurt is dairy, fruit smoothie is from the fruit group, and toast is from grains. A bagel is grains, an egg is protein, and an avocado is a vegetable. A granola bar is a grain, a banana is a fruit, and so therefore we have no protein. So I am going to pick the second one, a bagel with egg and avocado. From these breakfast choices, which ones are balanced? Select all that are balanced. So a pizza topped with cheese and vegetables. So it has grain because of the crust, cheese is dairy, and vegetables. All right, so we have 3 out of 5. Cereal with milk and berries. So we have grain, dairy, and fruit. So this one is good. Egg and cheese burrito with fruit. So the egg is protein, the cheese is dairy, the tortilla is the grain, and we have the fruit group. And egg, muffin, banana, and orange juice. So the egg is protein, the muffin is the grain, the banana is the fruit, and orange is the fruit. So all of those are great choices. Let's see how we did. And of course, we got 5 out of 5. We got all of our breakfast answers correct. Great job. Class recap. It is important to eat a balanced breakfast every day. Select a balanced breakfast using the 3 out of 5 model. A mixed breakfast contains more than one food group. Don't forget to eat a balanced breakfast. This lesson was brought to you by the Dairy Council of California, Orange County Department of Education, and Miss Ford.